I posted a little while back how some men paid $10,000 to be introduced to 5 women over 90 days. One of them wrote to me. He said he was extensive testing so many questions, psychological stuff, to help them learn to find and exact the perfect match. And he's still single. Why? Read my book, The 20, and find most of those reasons. The book that started it all and helps you discover the love of your life. The 20. Right? The 20 things you need to learn in order to find the love of your life. So what I want you to understand is that you can't just go out and have somebody pick a wife for you. But now he wants to become a client of mine. Why? Because finding the love of your life is hard. And it starts with answering a very few basic questions. And then, if you think you found someone because the chemistry is right, well, that's when the real feelings meet the relationship. That's when you need these questions answered, or need to have found the answers out by now, already. Don't let love take you down the wrong path again. Learn how to find love, who to love, how to be loved. Join me, the only relationship workshop I've offered in a long time. Grab your ticket now. How about you? Are you ready to find love? The Tampa workshop is coming up in May. Talk to you soon. God bless.